In this video, I'll guide you through how to create goal templates in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your reporting and keep your team aligned on objectives, setting up goal templates in HubSpot is a fantastic way to start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to create reusable templates that can save you time and ensure consistency across your goals. First, let's navigate to the right place. Head over to the reporting section in your HubSpot account. Once there, look for the goals option. This is where you'll manage all your goals and templates. When you're ready, click on Create Goal. You'll see an option to create from scratch, which is exactly what we need for building a fresh template. Now let's dive into defining the logic for your goal. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for what you're going to measure. Start by choosing the object you want to focus on. This could be deals if you're tracking sales, contacts for customer-related metrics, or even custom objects if you have specific data sets unique to your business. Choosing the right object is essential as it determines the scope and relevance of the goal you're setting up. Next, you need to set the property you want to measure. This could be something like amount, which is perfect for financial targets, or count of records if you're more interested in quantity metrics. Selecting the right property ensures your goal reflects the data you care about most. Take a moment to consider what metrics are most valuable for your team and align with your business objectives. Once you've carefully defined your criteria and filters, it's time to move to the settings page. This is the final step in the goal creation wizard, and it's where we'll make sure all your hard work is saved for future use. Here comes the key part, saving your template. On the settings tab, you'll find a button labeled Create Template. Clicking this button is crucial because it transforms your current goal setup into a reusable template. Go ahead and give your template a meaningful name. This name should clearly indicate what the template is for, making it easy for you and your team to find and apply it in the future. By following these steps, you've not only created a goal but also saved it as a template. This means you can easily replicate this setup whenever you need to, without going through the entire process from scratch each time. It's a huge time saver and ensures consistency in how goals are created across your organization. And there you have it. You've successfully created a goal template in HubSpot. Remember, templates are a powerful tool that can help standardize processes and improve efficiency in your reporting. Feel free to explore and create multiple templates for various objectives within your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy goal setting!